What is up, guys? It is your girl back with another tutorial. Today it is a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm very excited to show you guys some of my tips and tricks on how you can get a fresh blowout looking like you just came out of the salon, but in fact you just came out of your bathroom, your own bathroom, you know? If you guys want to see how I go from this to a fresh blowout, then vámonos, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna share with you guys some of the products that I do like applying on my hair. The first thing that I love applying on my hair each and every time I wash it, which is literally once a week, I go in with a leave-in conditioner. Now, this one is called the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black and Castor Oil. It says that it's going to strengthen and restore my hair. So it is a leave-in conditioner. It has peppermint and apple cider vinegar, which I love. Now, one thing that I really want to tell you guys about this particular product is it has a very strong smell of like Play-Doh, and I don't like the smell. I'm already used to it because I have applied it already a few times, but it's just not my favorite smell. Now, the second thing that I always do this before ever putting any type of heat tool on my hair, is this. This is the Tresemme Thermal Creations. This is a heat protection spray. It says it works with heat appliances, protects against heat damage. So this is definitely a must every time I go in with any heat tools on the hair. You can find both of these products at your local drugstore. I do buy mine at CVS. And that's usually where I get all my stuff. Any drugstore items, I usually go to CVS as like my it place. If I can't find it at CVS, then we go to the Walgreens. Now guys, just gonna go ahead and push the hair all the way back. And I am gonna go in with this since I already applied this before bed yesterday. I'll go in with the spray now. I do like applying a generous amount. Always make sure you get everywhere. First thing I like to do is I part my hair right in the middle, and I'm not very particular about this. I just do it with my nail. If you want to be a little bit more particular, go ahead and grab your comb. I really don't care, if I'm being honest. Now, once that is there, I go ahead and I clip this, just getting it out of the way. Boom. Next, do the same thing. I like grabbing section by section just because it just makes life easier. Being that I do have curly hair, I always have to make sure to not grab too much hair. Now that I'm out here looking like the Spice Girl, I like to go in with this kind of brush. I also bought this at CVS, and I comb this out. So now about the straightener. This is a straightener that is called Turbo Tools. I actually bought this at a hair supply store in Boston near my old job, and I think it only cost me around $35–40. So it's pretty neat because it came with this one and also came with like the little travel size one that you can use like more towards like the front ends of your hair. So I usually like using this one, and it does come also with a little glove, but I don't like the glove because I don't know, it just gets in my way. So I usually just wait until it's nice and hot. I just turned it on, so let's wait a few seconds for that to warm up. So what I like to do is I go in with my brush, and that is what is going to help me straighten my entire hair. And then I just go in, just how you would use your straightener. I don't touch my ends just yet. So just straightening the hair. Once I go towards the end, what I like to do is twirl it, and that's going to give you a nice little bounce. See how that gave me a bounce towards the end of the hair? So just twirl it, and there you go. We're gonna do it again just to make sure. And then I do like to move the brush how it is, just to make sure the whole hair is getting the heat and nothing is going to be left behind. Going back, always make sure every time you do the ends, twirl it. I haven't blow dried my hair in the longest. All right, see, that's how we want it to look, nice and bouncy. I just went on my Instagram and I saw this video Steve Harvey just posted. He said that people that are late are bound to live longer. I sent that real quick to my dad because he's always complaining that I'm late when I'm really not. I'm just you know, more like on time-ish. And he's always saying that I'm forever late. So now I'm definitely going to be even more later, because according to Steve Harvey and this research study, if you're late, then it means that you're just a person that just goes with the flow. You have no care in the world and you're going to live longer. So I don't know, guys, just letting you guys know about that. I'm brushing the hair again. We're going back with the straightener and doing the same exact thing. I don't like to grab as much hair from the bottom. I'm trying to focus on that actual section that I just took out. And I'm still doing the same exact motion for the ocean. Sorry guys, I can be a little corny sometimes. Same thing right here on the bottom. Go ahead and twirl it. It's funny, I've been doing my hair for the longest, since I was like a kid. And the only thing I have trouble doing is curling my hair. I cannot curl it for the life of me. I don't understand it. I have a curling wand, but for some odd reason, I just don't. I don't know. I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. I like to start from the back of my head and work my way like towards the front of my face. The whole point of this tutorial is so people can think that you're always going to the hair salon and it's just you doing your own hair. It's just you giving yourself your own blowout. People thinking that you're bad and bougie, but you're bad and bougie on a budget. I love how shiny my hair ends up. Really, really shiny. Now for the front part of my hair, I like to kind of divide this in half, push this towards the back, or push it somewhere, it's not going to be in your way. And I'm going to work on this section first, and then I'll show you what I like to do with the front so it can look like a nice blowout. Now this trick that I'm going to show you guys is pretty awesome, because nowadays a lot of people don't actually even own a hair blow dryer. So let me go ahead and show you what I like to do. Mind you, take into consideration that this does take some time to understand how your hair works, what you can and cannot do with your hair. Now towards the end of, not towards the beginning of my hair right here, I have a lot of baby hairs and damaged hair as well from pulling it, from putting it in buns, from putting a lot of product in it. I'm gonna do is I'll go in with the hair straightener, and we're still doing the same exact stuff as we were doing on the other sides. Just making sure we get that nice twirl on the bottom of the head. See, I like to grab the brush, hold it like this. I'm gonna grab this and place it right here. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to move it like this, the opposite way. And we're gonna do that. Ooh, yes, girl. All right, if you guys need me to do that again, I'm more than happy to, because now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna grab all of this right here, push that towards the back. So, pin it there really good. Get a nice little flow of it, twirl it, and boom. Boom. Funny how I say I don't know how to curl my hair and then I do this. That's real funny, Yaritza. A trick that my sister and I actually like to use, just because we do have layers on our hair, is we actually put it in a bun, and that is what keeps it having the nice little twirls on the hair. So I'm going to bun this section. The bun is what keeps the twirls going, whether you put them out or in. However your liking is, go for it. Now we're gonna do the same thing on this other side as well. All right guys, so this section is all set as well. Now I'm gonna put this other part down. Oh, I got hair in my mouth. I always give it like a nice little zhuzh. All right guys, so remember how I said I do have a little bit of damaged hair here in the front because of all the pulling that I'm always doing. Now I am going to grab just a tiny bit of this leave-in conditioner. When I mean the tiniest bit, I mean like legit the smallest bit. And I'm gonna work that right here in the front of the hair. Just because I have a lot of flyaways, I'm grabbing a little bit more. I am going in with my Revlon Ionic. I do have a full tutorial on, dang, this is dirty. I gotta take all this hair out. Anyways, I'll leave it like that, whatever. I have a full tutorial on how I get a fresh blowout as well, just using this. For this tutorial, I did want to show you guys how you can get a fresh blowout with your iron, okay? Now, I am going to put this on the low setting and going to start working it right here in the front of my head. See how I got rid of those flyaways? And this is it guys, this is how I get my fresh blowout just at home using one tool and a half. I did want to show you guys this because it's so easy. You guys don't have to feel like you have to go out to the hair salon, wait for hours and spend lots and lots of money when you can actually do this yourself. I do have another tutorial on how I use the Revlon Ionic. I'm more than happy to go ahead and link that down for you guys also up here. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time your girl uploads, this eyelash drives me crazy, you guys are notified, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.